This is a series of videos called Peacemath 12. So here's the idea. We're just going to do each one of these. I'll show you how to do them, and then you can copy the procedures. When you are adding or subtracting fractions, we've got to make this bottom the same. So what they do is they go like this, and like this. So what we're doing, they call it the butterfly. I multiply the bottom twos. So this is 3 times 13, 39. And that one is 2. The minus goes between. And then I do 13 times 5, 65. I do 3 times 28, which is 84. See how we did that? So we multiply the bottom, multiply the top with the bottom. Good. So that's like the butterfly. These are the wings, and this is the body and the bottom. Now I just do 84 minus 65. I have to steal one here, so it's 14 minus 5, which is 9, 7. Okay, so I got 19 over 39. That's the answer. Over here, I'm multiplying a mixed number. So one way to do this is just to multiply here and add there. So I have the 3 on the bottom, 12 plus 2, which is 14. 14 over 3 times 9. Now, whenever you have one of these things, do it over 1. Look here and here. This is like 3 times 3. So I'm going to cancel that 3 and that 3. So I'm left with 42 over 1. That's the answer. Over here I got 6 over 9 divided by 5 over 8. Well, this is called keep, change, flip. Almost like KFC chicken. Keep 6 over 9 times 8 over 5. Now we multiply across the top, 48. Multiply across the bottom, 45. Now one of the problems here is, look at that. There's a 3 in here and a 3 in there. We could have done this a lot smaller, couldn't we? Because this one is like 3 times 16. This is like 3 times 15. So it's actually 16 over 15 is the answer. That's the answer. This is fun. It's about 1 each. Now 3/4, that's like 75 cents if we were doing dollars, right? So then you multiply. Well, that's like 0.75, which is the same as 75%. When you have 27, that's the answer. 27 is like 27 over 100. That's the answer. What is 20% of 93? All right, 20% of 93. What is 20% of 93? Now 20% is the same as 1 over 5, or 0.2, right, times 93. So you multiply 2 times 3, 18. Move over 1 dot, so move over 1 dot. Answer, 18.6. Find the perimeter. So we add those two and those two. Another way is just 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. So 20. Answer. Respuesta. How do we change inches into feet? Well, 1 foot equals 12 inches. That equals x over 180. So what do we multiply 12 to get there? Well, I multiply by 15. So 15 feet. That's the way I look at it. Because 15 times 12, 30, and 115 is 180. So the answer is 15. What's this one? 49. Well, I know 6 times 6 is 36. 7 times 7 is 49. Aha! 7. Find the square root. That's the answer. Factor. These things, they like you to go do this system where you put the x here and the x here, right? And then 15 is usually 5 times 3. So if I put plus 5 here and plus 3 here, problem is I would get a positive 8, and this right here says negative 8. So there's a simple thing. If I go negative 3 and negative 3, 5, that will be a positive 15 when we multiply those two. And these two will be a negative 3x and a negative 5x, which makes negative 8, which is our answer. Oh my goodness, they want us to simplify all this. Well, I'm going to put those two together with these two. Everything else has to remain the same. So I would say 9x squared y minus x squared y, so this becomes 8. And I have minus 4xy minus 6xy minus 10xy. There we go. This thing right here says simplify. Well, we know that absolute value of negative 9 is 9. Then we subtract 13, so we got negative 4. And that's our answer. How to make a blog? Go to blogger.com. Do you want to learn how to make a website? Well, I would go to tinyurl.com/FWP start. And you'll see a very good blog to tell you how. This has been 7 minutes, and you have just done, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 problems. Bravo. Bye.